Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel comfortable, feel home in my YouTube channel. Yep. And so today, guys, this is how my video begins. It begins at Mike Kizo's construction site. And today we came here very early today in the morning, and it's 7:02. So you can imagine at what time I woke up. I'm I'm very sure that day work is will be, because you see the masons have already arrived, and they want to make the like they want to make a place that where they will step on, which will reach somewhere here. So they step so that they can construct up there. You see. So here I hear they call them mapunda. Yeah, they call them mapunda. It's a new name that I heard from this place, this Nyabohanse. And so I'm here at our changing room. This is where we change our clothes at, you see. And now I need to change to my working clothes. So guys, the work has already begun, and as you can see, I'm on my working clothes. Yep, and I'm in work mode. So I came here at this place. This is the neighbor of the place we are working at. So I came to take this spade, this shovel, so that I can go and start working. And I've already got a mason who I'm working with, and work has already begun. So stay tuned and get to see how today's work will be and what progress will be made today. So guys, you see the progress of today. We are almost even getting to the end of our work. So for us, the remaining part that our masons have remained, it's just that place from that area to that far end over there. So and that this other mason is only remaining with that place where he is and up to here. So he's gonna add 3 more courses, and yes, we'll call it a day for us. And the others are working on the lintel on that area, you see. So yeah, that's another separate work to this. So guys, I'm using my next town's phone because my phone, it's already locked, but in the evening I'll get to pay it. So yep, but now I'm using my next town's phone, and he's over there. For him, he's working on the lintel, so he's on a different work from us. Yep. So that's it. That's the progress of today. And our motor here is ready, yeah, to feed the masons over there. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hope you're all good, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to this another yet amazing episode. My name is Luis, but my YouTube channel is being underscore Luis. And today, as you can see, I'm also at my Kiza's construction site. And unluckily today, did not get an opportunity of working here, because the only work that is remaining today is from here up to there, doing the lintel. And the engineer has selected the people that he only needed, so he did not need a lot of people because the work does not the labor of today's work does not need a lot of people. And I'm not alone that the only one I'm not the only one that has lacked an opportunity to work today. um, Also, there are some people who have lacked, but yep, it has happened. But oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna like just volunteer helping the, the workers, the handsmen. I'll just work with them, help where I can help, and yep. So stay tuned, guys, and get to enjoy my video and get to see how today will be. Maybe yep. And so, guys, I wanna do appreciate your support for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also I wanna thank this amazing person. She's a lady. Yesterday, I got something from Kizo, but it was from her. I got she she willed, or she volunteered, or let me say she has the heart to. Oh my God! An accident almost occurred. My next town was almost hit by that wood, by that timber. So sorry for the interruption, but I was saying is there's this lady, I don't know even her name, but she decided just to keep it personal, and it's very good. And because if maybe that's how she's comfortable with. But I want to just say thank you very much for your support. I got the money that you sent to Kizo to reach to me, and I really want to say thank you because you've done me a really good favor. You have reduced that the burden. It's like a burden to me, as a YouTuber, and I have a phone, but I cannot even sometimes do videos because it's locked. And yep, I got some money from her, and I got 6,000 from her, which is enough for paying for my phone for 2 months. And yep, I'm gonna do necessary. I'm gonna do I pay for it for 2 months so that I cannot get an excuse for not uploading, for not doing videos. Yep. So yeah. So thank you very much, and may the Almighty God shower you with uncountable blessings, and also may you also never lack whenever you need. Yeah, thank you very much. So you see, guys, today the work has already begun, and they are now the masons now want to construct the boxes over there so that they can now start mixing the concrete, the ballast, the cement, and the sand, so that they can install them inside the boxes. Yeah, so that's today's work. And also over there, let me go take you. They're also constructing another where the gate will be, so that now they're now constructing another wall over there. And it was yesterday. That work over there started yesterday, let me say in the evening, and I'm gonna go there and take you there so that you can see the progress. And so today they're finishing up with the 5 courses first, so that they can now put they can now put the lintel again, then extend another 5 courses, so that they can now put the upper lintel. You see, like here they have constructed 5 courses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they put a lintel here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then another lintel over there. So yep, so now they're making the boxes. As you can see, they're now doing the boxes so that they can now start mixing this mortar with concrete, this mortar over here with concrete, so that they can now start installing that installing it, the concrete inside these boxes. You see the progress over here. Here they've already constructed 5 courses. Here they're gonna now add one more course, and there they're gonna add 2 more courses, so that this one can balance with the other one. With the they can all be 5 courses. So here, as you can see here, they are now making the mortar, and so that they can finish up with constructing this wall over here. Then later, when they finish, they start now mixing the ballast and now install them in the boxes. So yep, as I have said, today I'm gonna just let me say help or work where I can where help is needed. So yep, so stay tuned, and in my video you get to watch my video from the beginning to the end. And if you're new to my video, please kindly I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a like to my videos, and also comment good comments that will make me happy, or make me feel motivated, And yep, so let me now get to see if I can maybe help over here, and maybe we can. It's a great news that I've got an opportunity to get to work today. Kizo has given us work, so he wants us to that is me and Okwemba, and here he is with the wheelbarrow. He wants us to take this tip of sand. Nisa, he wants us to take this tip of sand and take it to the other heap over there, and also this ballast over here. He wants us to take it to the far end of this plot. So yep. So let me change into my working clothes. Okwemba, let me change first. So let me change my clothes, because I cannot work with this. See? So I need to change, and yep, stay tuned so that you can see what we are doing. Guys, our work already started. Our work, me and Okwemba. So we are shifting this sand, as I said, from here to that place, and I'm gonna show you how we are doing. We are working over here. So guys, Okwemba is loading the wheelbarrow for me, so that I can take it over there. Yeah. Ah. Guys, you know this wheelbarrow, it's making work harder, not easier, because it has a big wheel. Yes, it is advantageous, but the wheel is really wiggling. It has a very bad bend, so it's kind of hard, and it's making the sand to be more heavier. Yep, but I just have to work with it like that, since by the end of the day we need to. I'm so tired, but let me not complain. So by the end of the day we need to do what we're appointed to do. Yep, yep. You're being called by kids over there. So guys, you see we are still progressing with our work over here, and you can see we are now almost uh, done with the sand. After we are done with the sand, we are now gonna head on this ballast, and also shift it to a different place, yeah. So also kidogo kidogo over here joined us, and he said he wants also to help us with the work today. So guys, we now want to break for our lunch, and so far let me say we are done with the sand, with this soil, with the sand, and now after our lunch, it's when we are now gonna come and work on this ballast, shifting it to that very corner over there, you see. So yep, so that's the place Kizo wants this ballast to be. So I'm now gonna go and wash my hands so that I can have my lunch and then head back to work. Yep. I'm gonna wash my hands on that tank over there. Guys, I am here. I've already been served my lunch, and here we have ugali, and we have greens, and this is kales, and we have here, let me say, a beef stomach, or beef intestines. So yep, let me eat so that I can now head back to my work over there. They're being brought by our foreman bananas. Hey, and these bananas, guys, are always sweet. These fat bananas, they're the sweetest. We're now back at the work since we were at our lunch break. So now we are finished with the sand, and we're now on the side of the ballast. I told you we are taking it to the far corner of the wall, you know. Yep. Look at what you're putting inside. And also, guys, Evelyn Minage, we have Evelyn Minage on the construction site, and she has really helped us a lot on loading the wheelbarrows with sand and also with ballast. And she's very hardworking, as I have seen her. So this is Evelyn Minage. So he has really helped us on our work here, on loading the wheelbarrow with ballast and soil. She's really supporting us today. Maybe you can tell me something.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending to where you are watching me from. My name is Evelyn Minage. I'm here at Fala Construction, guys. Fallafashion Construction, guys. Today I came here to pay them a visit. Now I'm here, guys. I'm requesting you guys to subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Evelyn Minage, and here it is, guys.
Evelyn Minage. So let's go reach her out in her YouTube channel and also support her. So it's Evelyn Minage. Yeah, so you see, guys, Evelyn Minage, go reach her out in her YouTube channel and support her by subscribing to her channel and also by watching her videos and liking her videos, and also commenting sweet positive comments to her YouTube channel.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, so that she can be motivated in her YouTube journey, you know. Yep. So okay. So now we are, the weather, you know, the weather is kind of changing.
Yes,
so we are now working, we are trying to fasten up, yes, so that it can not find us.
Thank you for hosting me on your channel.
Okay. Thank you too. So guys, you see, we now want to get to finish the work very fast. As you can see, the rain is almost, it's now, the nimbus clouds are very heavy, you know. Yep. So let me try and see if we can get to finish the work before it rains. So guys, this is where we are coming to take this ballast. So we are working here with Okwamba today on our different work. So guys, we are done with today's work. The work that we were assigned of putting the sand at one place, and yep, and also the ballast, we took it on the far end corner of the wall. Yeah, and let me show you what we were doing today. So you see, we put the sand at one place and we surrounded these blocks, but you can see these handsmen are playing us a game, because these blocks that we put over here, so they are coming just to take them from here so that they can take them to their masons. And yeah, I'm gonna tell them to take more blocks from that place and come and put them over here, since as we put them and they're just coming to take it. So you see, and also the ballast, it's no more here again. Also the sand. So that's today's work, and I think I'm gonna end my video at this point. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. And also, if you know you're watching this and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please, I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, support me, and also continue watching my videos. Yep. And so yeah, so that's it for today, and let's meet on my next video. Bye bye.